I will be demonstrating the different views that we can custom create for each pole. In this ArcGIS platform, we have brought in the circuit C240 for demonstration purposes. To begin, the map includes not only the poles, but the primary overhead lines, the anchors, and environmentally sensitive access areas, as well as other environmentally insensitive areas, as you can see here on the map. The pole colors in this map actually correspond to the construction trackers so that this provides a quick visual of the status of each pole. For instance, green corresponds with energized circuits, while the remaining colors indicate in construction on hold or issued to construction and assigned. And here is an example of the construction tracker, and you can see how the colors match the actual tracker itself, energized in construction, as mentioned just a minute ago. These distinguishing factors are also included in the attribute table for each pole. So when you click on the pole, you will see that information. Although the information for each pole is listed within the attributes table as shown here, we created a customized view that allows you to visually see not only the information per pole, but the high definition photo and video from the UAV. So if I go ahead and click on one of these poles, it brings this window up where you can see the circuit information section, the pole ID, as well as that high definition photo and video. So we can let that play. As you can see how the video is showing us like the entire pole. As we scroll down with more information, you can also see other relevant information regarding like the TPSS location ID, XY, and elevations, the construction status like we touched on a little bit ago with energized, anchor status, environmental constraints that have been identified for it, as well as links to PDFs regarding the environmental release form and construction documents. Again, this is customizable, so we can put any link to any document here that you would rather see. But what you do is you just click on the link and it opens up your file, so you can quickly view your information that you have per pole. I also have the construction drawings as well, so you can pull those up and you can see these drawings if there's any pole that you need to review to see what the construction was done on that pole itself. In regards to high definition photo, the minimum size for that is a 20 megapixels in size, and it allows very easy identification of vegetation by zooming in. I want to pull up a couple just examples to show you the pictures and just the clarity of the photo as you zoom in. Here's one example. You can see this vegetation across and everything across the street, and you get a very clear picture of the pole. Here's one where you can actually zoom in and see and read the text on the pole. It gives you that much clarity in the photos just due to the camera and the size of the photos. Let me just go down. So just as a note, the documents that we're pulling up and the photos that we have currently live on my thumb drive to be viewed. However, all these files can be located on a secured server to be viewed and accessed. And obviously security and confidentiality is key and critical to this piece. And we have already met and started the conversation with SDG&E IT. We met with Tom Habib earlier this week just to determine the best way to keep the file secure while allowing proper access to all the parties who need to access this information. Thank you very much.